नमस्कार दोस्तों, ई टेक्नो लर्निंग चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे बेस्ड ऑन द टॉपिक ऑफ कर्विलिनियर मोशन। द क्वेश्चन इज पार्टिकल फॉलोज द पाथ y equal to 5 plus 0.3 x square with a constant speed of 10 meter per second. Determine the components of velocity when x equal to 2 meter and the acceleration of the particle. So सबसे पहले based on the given data हम इसका ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे. So the particle is traveling along this path having the equation y equal to 5 plus 0.3 x square. Now at a given instant, that is when x equal to 2 meter, let us say v is the velocity vector. इसके साथ ही हमें एक और कंडीशन दिया गया है, that is particle is traveling with a constant speed of 10 meter per second. Now if the speed is constant, it means the tangential component of acceleration will be 0. Now the second component of acceleration, that is normal component of acceleration को find out करने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले radius of curvature find out करना होगा. And to find out the radius of curvature हमें equation of path को दो बार derivative लेना होगा. So we write differentiating equation of curve with respect to x, dy by dx will be equal to 0.6x. Then again differentiating with respect to x, we get d2y by dx2 equal to 0.6. Now at x equal to 2 meter, value of dy by dx will be 0.6 into 2, that is 1.2, and value of d2y by dx2 will be constant, that is 0.6. So अब हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर, जिसका फॉर्मूला है इन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस डी वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट रेज टू 3/2 डिवाइडेड बाय d2y by dx2. So let us substitute the value dy by dx को हम 1.2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे and d2y by dx2 is 0.6. So इसे इवेल्युएट करने के बाद हमें वैल्यू ऑफ रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर मिलेगा, that is 6.352 meter. Now let us find out the normal component of acceleration, which is given by v square divided by rho. So इसमें substituting the value of v as 10, so 10 square divided by radius of curvature, that is 6.352. So normal component of acceleration will come out to be 15.74 meter per second square. Therefore total component of acceleration is equal to normal component of acceleration only, because tangential component of acceleration is 0. इसके बाद हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे components of velocity. Now to find out the components of velocity, we require the value of this theta. Now the slope of the curve at any given instant is given by dy by dx, that is equal to tan theta. Now value of dy by dx for the x equal to 2 meter हमने find out किया था, that is 1.2. So we write tan theta equal to 1.2, and therefore value of theta is 50.19 degree. Now the horizontal component of velocity will be vx equal to v cos of theta, that is 10 into cos of 50.19 degree. So therefore vx is equal to 6.4 meter per second. इसके बाद vertical component of velocity will be vy equal to v sin theta, that is 10 multiplied by sine of 50.19 degree. So value of vy is 7.68 meter per second. So ये रहे हमारे तीनों आंसर्स. वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो इसे लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दी वीडियो।